Hello students, God bless you. Mathematics class 8, chapter number 21. This chapter is about volume and surface area of cone and volume and surface area of sphere. So today again question number 10 is also about the volume and total surface area of cone. In the last video I have told you the formulae to find volume of cone and total surface area of cone. So first of all we remind that what is the formula to find volume of the cone. So volume of the cone is equal to 1 over 3 pi r square h, and total surface area of cone is equal to pi r into r plus l. So using these two formulae we will find volume of cone and total surface area of cone. Okay students, question number 10. Find the volume of cone whose slant edge is 13 centimeter and radius is 5 centimeter. Also find total surface area of cone. This is the question. Two parts it has. In first part we have to find volume of the cone, and in second part we have to find total surface area of the cone. Solution. Students, you know that volume of cone is equal to 1 over 3 pi r square h. So here we don't have h, height of the cone. So I have already told you three formulae in the last video how to find h if L and R both are given. So today again, first of all, what we will find? We will find h. So h is equal to L square minus R square and its square root. So L square means square of 13 and R square means square of 5 and then its square root. And this is equal to 169 minus 25, and 169 minus 25 is 144. Square root of 144 is 12, and this is the height of cone, 12 centimeter. Now we can find the volume of cone easily by using the formula. Okay, volume of cone V is equal to 1 over 3 pi r square h. Okay, 1 over 3. The value of pi here we will take 3.14, and r square, the value of radius is 5, so square of 5, and h, that is 12. Now just we will multiply 3.14 with 1, and 1 over 3 multiply 3.14 multiply 25 multiply 12. Okay, all these values will be multiplied and then we will divide it by 3. So 3.14 multiply 25 multiply 12 and divided by 3, that is 314 exact. So 314, चूंकि वॉल्यूम है तो इसका यूनिट क्या होगा, सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. Now total surface area of cone, second part, total surface area. Total surface area of cone formula is pi r into r plus l. Okay, again 3.14, and radius we have 5, again radius 5, and l slant edge 13. Okay, so 3.14 multiply 5 into 18, because 13 plus 5 18. Okay, 3.14 multiply 5 and multiply 18, that is 282.6. 282.6 and centimeter square. This is total surface area of cone. So both the parts we have done. The very important thing that you keep in mind is, once again I'm repeating the formula. If the height is not given, then you must keep in mind the formula to find height is L square minus R square and whole square root, and then volume of cone formula is 1 over 3 pi r square h, and total surface area of cone is equal to pi r into L, r plus L or L plus r we can write. So next question करते हैं. Okay students, question number 11. The statement of question is, a tent is in the form of a right circular cone with height 5 cm and radius of base is 12 cm, and we have to find area of canvas to make the tent, and number 2, volume of air space within the tent. These two things we have to find, and the data is also with us. I have written the data. How can we do it? Once again, if we want to find area of canvas or area of a right circular cone, it is pi r into r plus L. So where is L? Or the slate edge length is not given. So what will we do? We will use the formula to find L, that is L is equal to h square plus r square and square root. H, the value of h is 5, square of 5 plus square of 12 and then square root. Now 25 plus 144, because the square of 12 is 144, and now we will add these two, it will be 169, and the square root of 169 is 13. So now we have L with us, and just we have to put the value to find area of canvas. First part, area of canvas is equal to pi r into r plus L. So pi, we will take the value 3.14 and r, that is 12. Now again bracket, r 12 plus L, that is 13. Okay, now we will calculate it. 3.14 multiplied 12, that is 37.68. 37.68, and within the bracket 12 plus 13, 25. So multiply by 25 and the answer is 942. 942, and this is area of canvas, so the unit will be centimeter square. Now second part, we have to find volume of air space. So volume of air space within the tent, the formula is 1 over 3 pi r square h. Now we will just put the values. 3.14 r square, that is 12 square, and h 5. Now the next step, 1/3, 3.14 into 144 into 5. क्या करेंगे, इन तीनों वैल्यूज को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3.14 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 144 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. Answer is divided by 3. So the answer is 753.6. 753.6 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एक बात यहाँ पे नोट करनी है आपने, और वो बात ये है कि यहाँ पे हमें पाई की वैल्यू जो है वो 3.14 लेनी है. इस क्वेश्चन में बल्कि गिवन भी है कि टेक द वैल्यू ऑफ पाई 3.14. सो वॉल्यूम एंड सरफेस एरिया और द कैनवस एरिया ऑफ द कैनवस, that is 942 centimeter square and volume is 753.6. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आज की वीडियो में बस यही 2 क्वेश्चन आगे जो रह गए हैं वो हम करेंगे और उसके बाद हमारा ये चैप्टर भी खत्म हो जाएगा. सिलेबस में जो बाकी चैप्टर्स हैं वो नेक्स्ट वीडियोस में वो मैं आपको करवाऊंगा. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. गॉड ब्लेस.